won first prize. Imad Ibrahim won the prize in debate. Silicon City Academy of Secondary Education had conducted Spectrum 2019 science exhibition in which Safan Saeed, Matthew Joseph and Kushal B bagged the prizes. Another feather to the crown was Purnesh and Safan Saeed of class 10 won second place in science model display competition during Dayanand Sagar University Talent Search competition held at Dayanand Sagar University. Along with this, we have a number of inter-house literary and cultural competitions, namely debate, quiz, declamation, essay writing, group dance, etc. Regular IO brain classes, that is STEM, yoga and dance classes are going on smoothly as per the routine. Adding to this, we have organized the English Club, Club Rock, in which the students have rocked with their talents. Kannada Kanaja, the Kannada Club was introduced to enhance the essence of Kannada language. Students have also took part in many events like color splash, vocal music, classical and western dance, instrument, quiz and newspaper competition. They had participated in Kisa debate competition and Frank Anthony debate competition. Along with that, they had participated in Albert Barrow essay competition. Himanshi Setia of class 8 and Anant Nithani of class 6th won first and third prizes respectively in drawing competition held on occasion of Kannada Rajyotsava celebration. Most of the students have participated in ISKCON's drawing and shloka competition and have won number of prizes. In order to encourage discipline, cooperation, selflessness among the students, the school has systemized Scouts and Guides program in which Bulbuls and Guides got first place in Bulbul greetings, clay modeling and album making held at Delhi Public School. Preetham of 4th A secured second place among Cubs for Geeta Gayana Spardhe conducted in Silicon Academy. Bulbuls, Cubs, Scouts and Guides had their Dvitiya Sopan test camp at Alpine Public School. All the 4 units got first prizes in the respective categories at the events held at Jyoti Kendriya Vidyalaya by Jayanagar Local Association and won the trophy. Education is like the mass of ages invention. It is after all only a tool. Everything depends upon the workman who uses it. So, the workman in the field of education is a teacher. Hence, many teachers were sent to attend a number of training programs to upgrade themselves in teaching methodology and technology. Students also appear for Byju's aptitude test, wherein Ramesh Tejas of class 9 and Chandan Sukrut of class 5th C had secured first place in the exam and cleared the first round. To enumerate the activities of nursery division, I would wish to convey that the management ensure the schooling a joyful activity through teaching and learning process for tiny tots. Various activities like Color Day, Cereals Day, Fruit and Vegetable Day, Seasons, Fancy Dress competitions were organized. Parents were invited for Cooking Without Fire competition. Our school celebrates most of the important days to make the students learn about our culture and heritage so that they are aware of the pressing issues. Nursery wing celebrated Founders Day, Ganesha Puja, Ramzan, Deepavali and Christmas with great gaiety. The school strives to inculcate moral values and generosity in the students. Hence, we have initiated 1 rupee revolution, where the students donate 1 rupee. Later, the money is donated in charity and PM Relief Welfare Fund, which brings smiles on the faces of the needy. Thus, many changes have occurred, and all we know, change is the essence of life and progress which transform us to usher in new era. The bottom line is that we have all grown through the process, and we will continue to move forward to make this school all that it should be. I avail this opportunity today to express a heartfelt thanks to our chairman, vice chairman for their trust in us. Special thanks to our respected secretary, sir, for his continuous support, guidance, which remain as a source of our efforts, and our principal, sir, who had streamlined the activities to make our school the best. I wish all of you present here to have a dose of elixir by enjoying the electrifying performance of more than 800 students who are going to enthrall you. We are happy to inform that 90% of our students are taking part in 50 and odd events in today's cultural program. This is a great feat and achievement by any yardstick. Thank you, parents.
Thank you, Saida ma'am. Now, I would like to request the Secretary of DSIS, Shri Galiswamy sir, to deliver the presidential address to the gathering. I request our principal sir to escort the guest.
A very good afternoon to all of you. The chief guest of today's valedictory function, Dr. Ajay Kumar Naitani, the head of the Department of Engineering, Geology, Department of National Institute of Rock Mechanics, Ministry of Mines, Government of India, Bangalore, Wing Commander Patanjali, the Principal of Dayanand Sagar International School, esteemed faculty members of Dayanand Sagar International School, beloved parents, and the most importantly, the students of Dayanand Sagar International School. I am indeed very happy to be here this evening for the valedictory function of the annual day celebrations. The academic year 2019-20 has come to end. All the curricular and extracurricular activities have been getting over, and the students are now preparing for their ensuing examination, which is going to happen in a couple of months. Dayanand Sagar International School is one of the premier school with ICSE syllabus in Bangalore. The school has a very wonderful infrastructure, a qualified, experienced and motivated, devoted faculty members, headed by Wing Commander Dr. Patanjali, who are always committed to train the students and guide and make the most learned students. The school is doing a lot of curricular activities inside the campus and also outside the campus, and students have been molded with a lot of extracurricular activities. Provision has already been made to students to participate in other extracurricular activities in the campus, also elsewhere in other institutions. Now, I don't want to go for a long speech. The parents are waiting. The students, for them, today is a very joyous day for them because they are going to come onto the stage and exhibit their wonderful talents. Each student will participate and excel in various activities, various events that are going to happen, and parents are really very interested to see their performance of their kids performing on the dais. So with this, I wish all the students, wish them all good success in their coming examination, a wonderful future ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your inspiring, valuable thoughts and motivational words. Really make positive influence in the thoughts of young minds. Here at DSIS, we not only value the academics, but also we create the creative tendencies and cultivate it into something great which stays with them for the lifetime. It brings the wide range expansion in the students' capability and disposition, thereby increasing their chances of sustaining in the ever fierce practical world.
Now it is time we give due recognition to the aptitude and acumen of our brimming students, the future leaders of society. It's time for the prize distribution ceremony. I would like to request the chief guest to give the prize to the toppers of our school.
Our school is not only notching up 100% result in the ICSE board exams for the past 10 years, nearly 85% of our students appearing score more than 85% marks. Our proud and meritorious student Saloni Agarwal of previous batch is the school topper with an aggregate of 98% in the ICSE board exam 2018-19. I would like to call her on the stage to receive the prize.
Now, we are going to acknowledge the academic toppers from class 5 to class 9 for the year 2019-20.
I would like to call upon Kumari Shravani Shivapriya of class 5th A. She has secured the aggregate of 91% in this academic session. Next, Kumari Anshika of 5th B. She has secured 88% in this academic year. Master Sri Niketan P of 5th C. He has secured the aggregate of 89%. Master Likit J of 6th A, he has secured 91% in this academic session. Master Vishwas N of 6th B, he has secured 96% in this academic session.
Kumari Hanan Apra of 7th A has an aggregate of 93%.
Congratulations to all the toppers.
Akhil Kalyani of 7th B has an aggregate of 95%. Miss Varshini V of the 8th class has 89%.
Kumari Varshini A of 8th standard has secured 89%.
Ajit M of the 9th class has secured 86%. Congratulations to all the toppers of the school. We hope winning becomes a consistent habit for you all. Have a great future ahead and make your parents and also your alma mater proud.
We conduct number of sports and co-curricular activities throughout the academic year. In all these activities, our students take an active participation. This year's Runners House Trophy goes to Viburnum's Greenhouse with 117 points. So I request House Marshal, Mrs. Rukmini, Mrs. Nirmala Subramanyam and Mrs. Nagaratna and along with the house leaders to receive the rolling shield. Now, before we announce the winner team, I am happy to share with you that this year our students have shown great zeal and spirit not only to participate but with a motive to win. And a healthy competition, winning trophy is going to, so any guesses? Yes, this year's winners are Geraniums, that is Red House with 142 points. I would like to call Geranium House Marshal, Mrs. Srilata, Mrs. Sharada and Mrs. Sujata Shetty along with the house leaders to collect the rolling shield. Congratulations to the house winners. Now it's Scouts and Guides time. I would like to request our Secretary Sir to give the shield for the Scouts and Guides. The Bharat Scouts and Guides.
In the first years of India's independence, leading politicians unified India's Scouts and Guides on 7th November 1950. The United Nations selected the Bharat Scouts and Guides honorary peace messengers for their significant and concrete contributions to the International Year of Peace in 1986. The mission of scouting and guiding is to contribute to the education of the young people through a value system based on the promise and law to help to build a better world where people are self-fulfilled as individuals and play a constructive role in society.
Bulbuls, Cubs, Guides and Scouts, unit of 80 students of our esteemed school have co-educational activities such as jamborees, rallies, camp and conferences. They honored with Rajya Puraskar, medals and trophies. Now I request our Secretary Sir to honor the unit leaders Mrs. Rekha, Mrs. Sujata Jeevi and Mrs. Aparna for their selfless effort.
Congratulations to the unit leaders of Scouts and Guides.